Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we need to separate them in here. Next, we need to focus on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x squared plus number 4. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2x. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. The x we change for this one. The integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of u. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to number 2 tan t, because if I put this one go in here, we have number 4 tan t square, number 4 and number 4. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dx. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. So I will put this one go in here. Dx we change for this one. So this one we have number 4 tan t square. So number 4 and number 4, we can do about factorization. So this one that is about secant of t square. And now we need to simplify number 4 secant of t square. So we have number 2. The integration of this one, we have 2t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And we can find the value of t, that is about arctan of s over number 2. And later that, we can change the value of t. Now, we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.